Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can make a sign with text in Roblox Studio. So here you can see we are already in our Roblox. So I just need to open our Roblox Studio options. We already have that app, so I'm going to click on this start menu and then I will search Roblox Studio. Here actually you can see I will just open one of them, just click this one, and then actually it will take a couple of minutes and it will be open in here. So here actually you can see the process in here installing Roblox Studio. So when it completed, then we can eventually start or make our sign with text. Here you can see the procedure. So I'll select one of them, just going to select this one, or you can select that one. Like I'm going to click on cancel and then I'll open this one, base plate. Once I did, then you will eventually get this kind of option. So now you just need to be add a layer in here. So how we can do it, we just need to be click this one glass wall and you just paste it here. You can paste it at any place. So similarly you just need to be find here desired sign wall for you. So now you just need to be go to the home and then you just need to be click over here to the part and select your blog. So I'm going to paste the blog in here. If you want to change the size, you can do it. You just need to be come over here to the appearance and then scroll down and you will eventually find out that one. So here if you want to add more like surface guy, here you just need to add this one, then click this one and you are allowed to add the label in here. So now I just want to scale this one, so that for reason I just need to be click over here to the scale one, and now you can easily scale your size. Here actually you can see the process is really simple. So let's place it at here, and now I just want to scale this one also. So here you just need to be select this text level, and from there you just need to be change it the size. So first of all thing I am going to do in here, you just need to select text level and I just change my size from that place. So I'll remove this one and I will add that one in here on here, and then I will hit the enter, and here you can see it already been done. So here if I place it and that place, so you can see how amazing that was. So here I am going to move this one anywhere. You can move this one this way. Now if you want to change the text level, you just need to be click this one, like again try to click on text level, and then you just need to be click this one and you can add your script, or you can, like let's say we are going to delete this one, so you just need to click this one, disable script. Let's click delete, and now here just click this one, and from that one you will get this text box options. So here you can add your text here. So the process is really simple. This way you can add your sign in Roblox. If you think this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.